In this tutorial, you'll learn how to set up a payment link in Google Forms using extensions. First, start a new form and select the question title. Then, type your question and choose the short answer field to collect responses. Next, interact with the answer field and open more options to add new responses. You can select options, such as VIP or other choices, making your form ready for payment integration. Once your questions are set, select the Responses tab and publish your form to start collecting answers from participants. To enable payments, open the Workspace Marketplace, enter your search, and select Works with Forms to filter results. After choosing Payable Forms, you'll connect payment tools to your form. Enter your email to log in, agree to any terms of service, and adjust menu options as needed. Expand additional menus if you'd like to access advanced settings. Now, open the settings to enter your contact information, then select your payment provider, such as Adyen, to process transactions. Finally, copy the responder link to share with your users so they can make payments through your form. You've learned the steps to add payment links in Google Forms.